Now let's go straight across. We are learning that another earthquake occurred in Myanmar, a 4.7 magnitude at a depth of 10 kilometers in Myanmar. So this is the big breaking developments, aftershocks continuing clearly in Myanmar. Let me bring in Manan Dwivedi, foreign affairs expert, in at this point. Manan Dwivedi, we're learning that more aftershocks have occurred in Myanmar. Another earthquake was reported, I think about 4.7 on the Richter scale. Very concerning developments.
I personally feel that it's a very unfortunate happening that such a travesty of natural wrath has occurred in Myanmar and has been seen in Thailand. I personally feel that most of the countries, to be very practical in the context of disaster management, we have a lot of paraphernalia in developed countries. That is, if there's an earthquake or if there happens to be a flood or a tsunami strike or any other twister kind of a thing occurring on the coastline or in the internal grasslands. But when it comes to immediate crisis response, the nature of the crisis response, and also the time which is taken to respond to that natural catastrophe is found to be wanting. Even in America, which boasts of its great preparation to deal with forest fires, coastal tsunamis, and other weather altercations. I think Myanmar and Thailand and other countries which are impacted by it need a lot of international community help. But in the manner in which big agencies like USAID have been decapitated, and President Trump has, because I deal with the foreign affairs, the manner in which President Trump and the Republican government has withdrawn or disintegrated institutions like USAID, it becomes a question mark onto the Western world and the